Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a review of this Spriggon and Grow Garden new Beanstalk update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Finally, I could get this Spriggon from the Giant's shop. And if you want to get this Spriggon, you need to grow the beanstalk and go to the top of the beanstalk. And then you will be able to buy the Spriggon from there if it's available. Okay, and finally I got this, and then I'm going to give you the review guys. Wait, let me place it on my garden. Okay, and let's see the ability of this Spriggon Pet. Okay, I'm going to click on view. Okay, and this is the ability of this pet. It can spread its roots, and all fruit within 30 starts have a 15% to get the blue mutation. So basically this pad can give your fruits mutation, the blue mutation, and I think it's cool, but you know it's really pricey guys because we need 150 million shekels to get this pad. But yeah, it's so OP. It can give your fruits mutation. So if you have shekels, I recommend you to buy this pet because it's rare. Okay guys, and that's all the video for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.